guys? It's your girl Maccouture from Maccouture Crafting, coming to you from Galaxy's Edge, Disneyland. I just wanted to let you guys know about a new series that I'll be introducing on my channel, and what it's going to be are projects based on Disney things with Disney undertones to them. I don't always like my Disney to just smack dab have Mickey Mouse right on the front of it. Sometimes I like to give you a little hint of Mickey without actually slapping Mickey right on there. It's kind of like a covert Disney attack. The best quilt that I ever made was the Disney bound quilt. That quilt brings me so much joy, and so I want to do some more stuff like that. And so I'll be doing projects based on attractions, rides, maybe a specific character. Matter of fact, leave me your suggestions down below. It could even be a corner in the park. Like, look at that corner right there. I could totally do a quilt based on that corner, even though it would be in neutrals. We won't even talk about that. I know most people think that Disney is only saturated colors. However, Disney has all different kinds of color palettes to offer, and I'd like to explore that with you guys. So if you're excited about this, let me know down in the comments, and get ready, because we're going to kick off our series tomorrow. Kick off. Remember, I said that on Friday. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. If you haven't done so already, check out some more of my videos. Thanks so much. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.